Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the awesome Dollar Tree finds that I have. I usually go to my local Dollar Tree store, but I never find anything. There's nothing ever anything good. But I tried a different dollar store and I found a lot of stuff that I know some people have already shown on YouTube, but I had never seen them, so I thought I'd show you guys. So first of all, just something simple, these longer vases. Usually they do have the short ones at my local Dollar Tree store, which is these small ones, but never the longer ones. So I bought 2 of those. Then I was also able to find these elephants, which I've also seen on other people's channels, but again, they did not have those at the Dollar Tree that I usually go to. So I tried a different one and I was able to find 2. So I want to do something for like a baby boy room decoration. I also found those 2, also just 2 by the way, but I thought it was cute. I'm thinking about spray painting these baby blue and just doing the decorations for my son's room, or I don't know, somewhere where I can hang them up on a shelf. Of course, you do not want to put these anywhere where they can reach because they will break, so you don't want to do that. But again, I thought they were so cute and I can do something for his room. I also found these drawers, which I have been trying to look for and can never find, but finally I found them at this Dollar Tree and I am in love with them. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm gonna do with these. So I also found this pen, and I remember when I was a little girl I had some of these, so I was so excited. I had to have it. They also had a cat, but I really like this little whale or dolphin, so I just decided to get this one. But that is so cute. Also found these stickers, which I think are so pretty. And these, I think I'm gonna use this for a spray painting project. I'm not too sure yet. I found this alphabet stencil. It comes with 2 different letter sizes, so I was happy with that. It has little ones and then it has the bigger ones, so I can use this when I spray paint or just paint, or I mean with any other thing also. But I was happy to find these. I have been looking for something like this. Then I also found these 2 little bags. These could be really good for graduation gifts. You can put a gift card in there or little accessories. I got these 2. They had more, but I thought these prints were really pretty, so I got 1 of each. These canvas paintings are so cute. You can use this in your living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, anywhere. These are just really pretty. You could get these at any other place for like 10 bucks and up, but for $1 I had to have this one. Then there's this one that says "It was always you." I thought it was really nice. This one could be a gift for bridal shower or wedding. Thought it was so cute. And this one, "Let's Run Away." This is so cute too, for a bedroom or a gift. And then it has a heart. I thought this was really pretty. I found these candles also, which I really like the beads that they're in and the rose gold copperish tone color that they have. So I think this is gonna be really cute accents in the house, plus they smell good. Then I also found these little vases that kind of match them, so I like them as well. And I found 2 more of these mermaid ring holders, which are completely gone at the Dollar Tree that I usually go to. So I was happy to find 2 more of these. I use these for my mermaid bathroom decoration video. And I thought they looked amazing. So when I saw 2 more, I just grabbed them right away. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I had to have these. And I'm not gonna keep these in that color. I'm gonna spray paint them also, but I think I'll do them turquoise this time instead of gold. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave these as is or spray paint them as well, but I got 2 more of those. And I also got these. They're supposed to be snack containers. They came together, but I'm gonna use these for my little beads to keep in there. So I'm really happy with my finds. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I sure did. I loved shopping. My wallet did not like it, but I sure did. I also found these. I had seen these before at the Dollar Tree that I usually go to, but I never really cared too much for them. But because of the project that I want to make, I decided to get one of each. And then these are so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use these for, but I had to have them. They are so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna spray paint these baby blue as well for like bedroom decorations, but I just had to have these. I also like these colors, so I might just keep them as is. I'm not too sure, but look at how cute these are. And I found this Wonder Woman, which I thought was cute as well because my goddaughter loves Wonder Woman, so I can give this to her or put it as a cake topper or do a project and use it as a lid opener, like handle. So I like this one. And then this box had 2 in 1, which I thought was really cute. Usually you get 1, but for the price of $1 you get 2 little boxes. And look at how pretty this one is. Small, but you can use it for jewelry or a little gift. Look at how cute. $2 for $1, so you can't beat that. So that's it. That's all the stuff that I got today, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and have a nice day. Thank you.